Hi Pedro, I've just got your Silverlight board and just got it out of the post then. So I've hooked it up. It looks to be binding to me straight up. So I'll show you what's going on. I've got a power supply here set to 8 volts and about 50 milliamps. So I'll turn that on and you can see the board's going into looking for a bind. Okay, so it's gone through the Accel cal. I'll just start that again. I'll turn that off. Power's off. Power's on. Now if I interrupt that, you'll see that the LEDs stop flashing. That's because I'm interrupting the gyro, so it's got to do a gyro cal. Now when it does that fade in, that's when it's doing the gyro cal. Excuse me. The fast flashing is looking for a bind. So I've got a stock transmitter here. Now you can see it goes bip, 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 or flash, 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 flash. Now it's gone out. Now the reason it's gone out, I'm more than 100% or 100% sure that that's just the LED is inverted. The switching of the LED is inverted in the code. With H8 Mini Blue, the LED should not be inverted. It should be commented out. So it's because of how the LED is wired, whether it's wired to power or whether the processor switches ground and the LED is connected to power, or does the processor supply power. In this case, the processor supplies power to the LED, so we don't invert it. So now if I turn this stock one off, you'll see it's looking for it's in fail-safe mode now. It's saying, you know, what's going on. Turn it on, goes out, so it's locked in again. Should take 1 second to go into fail-safe, so I'll flick it now. 1 second. Okay, now so we're bound, so I'm off now. I don't think I can bind it with my Devo because it's set to telemetry, like right now, since it's powered up. So I'll show you. I'll turn it on and we'll probably get no bind because it knows it should be bound to a non-telemetry for this power cycle. So if you get all that, I hope I'm not going too fast. I'll turn that off. So power supply off, power supply on. So we've got a new power cycle. We're doing the gyro cal. We're looking for a bind. Well, I've left the Devo on and it's bound to it already. I turn the Devo off. Should go into, I turned it on then, sorry. Devo's still on. Turn the Devo off. It goes into fail safe. Turn it on and we're right to go. So everything here is looking good. I'd say there's not a problem, except you just need to get your LED to stay on during flight. If you want it to, you can invert the LED in the code in hardware H. So well, I'm glad we did this just to get to the bottom of it. So there's something going on with your TXs. Maybe I should send you a model file or something. Anyway, we'll carry that on with further correspondence. Well, I'll get this in the mail to Savo and it'll be back on its way to you. I don't think there's any point on me doing any more. I'm pretty happy with that. It's doing everything right. It's happy. It's talking. The radio's working. The gyro's working. Okay, catch you later, mate. Bye.